Welcome to a how-to video from ADSM Driving School. I'm Andrew and I'm going to be talking you through blockers at roundabouts. But before we get started, please like and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any future videos. So what is a blocker at a roundabout? Well, a blocker is someone who's already moving on a roundabout that stops somebody from entering the roundabout but gives you enough space to be able to keep going. This isn't done deliberately to let you out. This is just something that occurs naturally as people move through a roundabout. Check out these videos and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so that was clip one. You saw the blocker start his journey from the left side of the screen, come all the way around the roundabout, and you saw when it could be an advantage to us. So this second clip is going to show you how we can use it to our advantage. You can see that we're going to go, and you're able to see that it's stopping the other traffic. Okay, so that was the second clip, and as you can see, the effect that a blocker has on traffic trying to join the roundabout. But you can also see how much of an advantage it is for me. If I can spot it early enough, I can use it. I could make progress and I can pull onto the roundabout in the space that is provided by the blocker. Check out these two videos, different scenarios, different place. Check them out and see what you think, and I'll see you in a minute. Welcome back. The two clips you just watched, I wrote on them. So you can see where the blockers are and the effects it has on the other road users. You can also see when the cars were taking advantage of those spaces. Now, the next two clips that I'm going to show you, I'm not going to put any writing on them. So now it's up to you to see if you can spot where the blockers are. And my question for you is, when did you spot the blocker? And when do you think you could have gone? Back in a bit. So what did you think? How did you get on with those two final clips? Did you get the blockers? Did you spot them in time to make use of them when you're driving? If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and check out my other videos that are available right now on the YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching. Plan ahead and drive safe. Oh, hang on a minute. I forgot to give you the answers. Check out these two clips and with the answers and see how you get on. Bye.